Thank you for joining this short webinar showing how to identify the declaration category when making an export declaration using Customs Declaration Service software. This is step 1 of a series of short webinars introducing the Customs Declaration Service guidance on completing an export declaration. This table sets out the step-by-step guides we'll be covering in this series. We'll be showing you screenshots from gov.uk. HMRC is constantly improving the digital experience of our customers, so you may find that some of these screenshots will be slightly different to those you'll see on gov.uk. This webinar series follows Grayson, who is exporting children's t-shirts from Great Britain to the USA. He has his own Customs Declaration Service software product, which means he can submit his own declarations. Grayson is completing an export standard declaration. We'll be following his journey throughout this series as he makes his first export declaration using Customs Declaration Service software. Grayson's first step is to start with the Export Navigation Guide, which gives step-by-step instructions on how to complete the export declaration. Once Grayson has selected the appropriate link, he will see the 11 steps he'll need to follow for him to submit a valid declaration. It's important that Grayson follows the steps in order, otherwise his declaration will fail validation. Grayson will also need to consult the NI Tariff Supplement as well as the Navigation Guide as part of the export declaration process, which you can access using this link. The NI Tariff Supplement contains changes made to declaration completion procedures since Great Britain left the EU on the 31st of December 2020 and is frequently updated. For businesses based in Northern Ireland, the Northern Ireland Tariff Supplement would need to be used. Please note that the GB and NI Tariff Supplements will be incorporated into the main volume of guidance relating to the completion of Customs Declaration Service declarations. In order for Grayson to select the correct declaration category for his goods, he will need to use Appendix 22. The link to this is in step 1 in the navigation guide. Grayson selects this link. The link will open Appendix 22, Declaration Category Datasets Guidance. Grayson can then select a declaration category relating to the movement of his goods. In turn, this will identify the data elements he needs to complete on his export declaration. The Customs Declaration Service requires completion of data elements, which replace the boxes on the Customs Handling of Import and Export Freight or CHIEF system. Grayson selects Appendix 22, Declaration Category Datasets, and scrolls down the instructions in Appendix 22 to find the description of the declaration category. As he is completing an export standard declaration, he will need to use Declaration Category B1. This can be found in Appendix 22A. Now Grayson has selected the correct declaration category, B1, for the children's t-shirts. His next step is to identify the correct commodity code. Watch our next video to find out how Grayson identifies the right commodity code.